Hello, I'm Emily. I'm the lead 3D artist here at CSM, and I'm going to show you the basics of how to import a 3D mesh into Unreal, and also how to import a rigged character into Unreal and its animations. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you downloaded your meshes from CSM. Download them as OBJs, and then you're going to import those OBJs into Blender. The first thing I like to do is to realign the object that I'm going to be importing into Unreal. I want it to be able to snap smoothly into the grid in Unreal. So here I'm aligning it, and then once you have it aligned, you're going to go to Object, Apply It, and apply all transformations. This will make your rotation, location, and scale all at 0 and your scale at 1. This is what you want, so there's not any weird scaling when you import it into Unreal. For exporting it, I exported as an FBX. I made sure I checked selected objects only, and then I wanted to transfer the textures over to Unreal, so I pressed copy and the little copy button at the top. In Unreal, you're just going to want to drag and drop the mesh, and you will get a couple of options pop up. For static meshes, like the sword, there's not many options to change. You can either create new materials, which will import the texture meshes and create a new material automatically, or you can just import it manually, so you can not create new materials as an option. As you can see, you can check out your mesh in the Unreal viewport just to make sure everything is correct and the mesh material is right on your mesh. You can plop it into your game and it should snap directly onto the grid, as you can see here. When it comes to importing a rigged character, I like to use Mixamo to automatically rig my character. Here I'm just downloading some animations with the skin on, and then I'm going to import the first animation. So you're going to drag and drop that first animation FBX into Unreal, and you're going to get these options. So when importing, you're going to make sure you have skeletal mesh checked and import mesh checked, and then you're going to set the skeletal mesh to none. You can also check to see if you want to have create the materials again. For this reason I am, just so I can have the materials already ready as they're imported. If you imported it correctly, you should see that there's a skeletal mesh made, there's a physics made, an animation made, and then also the mesh itself. And you should be able to click into this little viewport and you can see a bunch of different options, like its skeletal mesh and other things as well. Now to import your other animations, you're going to do the same exact thing. You're just going to drag and drop your other FBX animation. This time you are going to check the skeleton mesh. You're going to uncheck the import mesh, and you're going to make sure your skeletal mesh is the one selected that you just made. So for example, it's going to be that robot one I just made a second ago. And it imports just your animation. So this animation is going to be attached to the same rig as your first animation. So you can view both of them in the viewport if you wanted to. This is a quick and easy tutorial. I know a lot of people already know how to import into Unreal, but sometimes it can be a little bit of a hassle and quite annoying when it comes to rigging, so I thought I'd go ahead and make this quick tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!